Now I'm going to show you a video of this. Now, what you do is if you have a clip in it, put these two down, and then, well, let's do one for now. And then take it out. And then put another clip like this one. And what you can see is filled. And I know it made a noise. It doesn't really work. I need some batteries. What you do is if you want to check if you have a bullet, all you do is lift it down, which it is. Lift it down. And then put it back up. And then you have an option if you want to shoot, like it's right here. If you want to, well, you can't really see it, but if you see that like that, which it's not on, but then if it has a bullet with an X on it, that means you don't want to shoot. That means it's not going to shoot. Which is, I do have the connection where you lay down on the grass and you shoot. Well, I can't really find it right now, but, and of course it comes with 2 clips, I mean 3, including that small one. I'll show you all of them in size. See? Filled. But yeah, I need some more bullets for these. These take up a lot. I do have this one. It's a Buzz-Bee toy. Gun, like, it's torrent, whatever. What you do is, I hate when this thing gets jammed. It always gets jammed. What you do is, I don't know what's wrong with it. Just there, and then it shoots. Then you. Come on. I don't understand what's wrong with this. There. And then you fire again. Then, I know it's getting in trouble. Fire. I do have other guns, but it's almost time to eat my pizza for dinner. Like 4, 5. But that's all I have to show you for today. I'm sorry I didn't get to really show you that much guns. I think I showed you 3 or 2. But I'm sorry. The video's like 5 minutes long, 4 seconds, and that's all I have to show you for today. And it's 5 minutes and 12 seconds. That's how long your video is.